Here is another rule of exponents that we need to know, and this is a very common one. When we have a parentheses, 5 to the 8th power, and then raised to another power, here we have the 4th power. How can we take care of the exponents in this case? Even though for the practice questions, it only has one question about rule of exponents, that was the division situation. But then to be prepared for the actual test, we should know more than just that, right? So let me demonstrate what this means. And we are going to take care of the power on the outside first. Namely, we have the parentheses raised to a 4th power. Let's focus on this first. Parentheses raised to the 4th power. What does the 4th power mean? It means that we are going to write this down, whatever is inside of the parentheses, 4 times, and then multiply them together. And let me just write this down for you guys. This is equal to, and I'm just going to write down the parentheses first. We have one parentheses right here, another one, the third one, and then the 4th one. And then everything inside will be 5 to the 8th power, like this. 5 to the 8th power here, 5 to the 8th power here, 5 to the 8th power, and another 5 to the 8th power. This is what the 4th power means. Write down whatever is inside of the parentheses 4 times, like this. And now you see that this is nothing but just multiplication. We have 5 to the 8th power times 5 to the 8th power times 5 to the 8th power and times one more 5 to the 8th power. How can we take care of these exponents then? We have seen this earlier. When we multiply, we keep the base to be the same, and then we just add the exponents. Let's do it. So let me write down the 5, and let's just work this out together. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus another 8 is 24, plus one more 8 is 32. So we know this will be 5 to the 32 power. And this is how we take care of exponents. And well, maybe sometimes I don't want to just like add this up like 1,000 times, right? I'm going to tell you what this is all about. How can we get the 32 without writing down this so many times? If we have a situation, let's say a number b raised to the m power, and then we take this, put it in parentheses, and then raise to another power, let's say the n power. In this situation, we first keep the base to be the same, and then what we do is we multiply these two exponents. So we can write down the m right here, and then we multiply with the other exponent, which is the n power. So this is the power to the power situation. We are just going to multiply the powers. So another way to look at this question, when we have 5 to the 8th power in the parentheses, and then raised to the 4th power, all we need to do is the 8, and then we multiply by the other exponent, which is the 4 right here. And as we know, 8 times 4 will be 32, and that will be the new exponent for the 5. 5 to the 32 power. That's it for this question.